Did you know that many common foods and plants hold incredible healing powers? These everyday items, often overlooked, can be powerful allies in maintaining our health and well-being. For centuries, people have relied on nature's remedies to address health problems. From ancient civilizations to modern times, the wisdom of using plants for healing has been passed down through generations. These natural solutions are often gentle, effective, and easily accessible. They offer a holistic approach to health, treating not just symptoms but the root causes of ailments. Let's explore some powerful remedies for everyday ailments. From soothing teas to healing poultices, nature has a remedy for almost everything. Imagine stepping into your kitchen and finding a solution for a cough or a stomachache. With just a few simple ingredients, you can create effective remedies at home. Nature provides us with a wealth of options. From the garden to the wild, medicinal plants are all around us, waiting to be discovered and used. These remedies have been used for generations and are supported by scientific research. Modern science continues to validate the effectiveness of these age-old practices. Are you ready to unlock the potential of nature's medicine cabinet? With a little knowledge, you can harness the power of these natural remedies. Let's dive into specific remedies and discover their amazing benefits. From boosting immunity to relieving pain, these natural solutions can enhance your health in countless ways. Honey, a golden liquid produced by bees, is not just a sweet treat. It is a powerhouse of healing properties, revered for its medicinal benefits. It has been used for centuries to soothe coughs and promote wound healing. But how exactly does it work? Honey's thick consistency coats and soothes irritated throats, reducing coughing and providing relief. Its natural antibacterial properties fight infection, making it effective for minor wounds and burns. It helps in faster healing. Studies show that honey can be as effective as some over-the-counter cough syrups, without the side effects. Next time you have a cough or a minor scrape, consider reaching for honey. It's a versatile remedy. It's a delicious and effective natural remedy that has stood the test of time. Ginger, with its distinct aroma and taste, is a culinary favorite. But did you know it is also a potent remedy for nausea and inflammation? Ginger contains compounds that help calm the stomach and reduce nausea. It is a popular remedy for morning sickness and motion sickness. Additionally, ginger has anti-inflammatory properties that can help ease muscle soreness and joint pain. Whether you are feeling nauseous after a bumpy car ride or experiencing muscle soreness after a workout, consider incorporating ginger into your diet. Section 4. Peppermint, soothing digestive troubles and headaches. Peppermint, with its refreshing taste, offers relief from digestive discomfort and headaches. Its active compound, menthol, has calming effects. Peppermint can help relax the muscles of the digestive tract, relieving bloating, gas, and indigestion. The menthol in peppermint can also constrict blood vessels, easing tension headaches. Next time you experience digestive discomfort or a tension headache, reach for a cup of peppermint tea or use peppermint oil topically. Section 5. Chamomile, a gentle approach to anxiety and sleeplessness. Chamomile, with its delicate flowers and calming aroma, is well known for its relaxing properties. These tiny, daisy-like flowers have been cherished for generations. It has been used for centuries to promote relaxation and sleep. Ancient civilizations, including the Egyptians and Romans, relied on chamomile for its soothing effects. Chamomile contains compounds that have a mild sedative effect, easing anxiety and promoting sleep. These natural compounds work gently to calm the nervous system. Drinking a cup of chamomile tea before bed can help calm the mind and prepare the body for restful sleep. This simple ritual can make a significant difference in your nightly routine. If you are feeling anxious or struggling with sleep, consider incorporating chamomile into your routine. Its gentle nature makes it suitable for regular use. It is a gentle and effective natural remedy. Many people find comfort in its warm, soothing taste and the sense of calm it brings. Remember, these are just a few examples of nature's powerful remedies. Each plant offers unique benefits that can enhance your well-being. To learn more about incorporating natural solutions into your life, consult with a healthcare professional or a qualified natural health practitioner. They can provide personalized advice and guidance.